My name's Steve Schlegel. I'm from Oklahoma City, and my inspection company is Inspections OKC LLC. This week's classes were amazing. I initially had wanted to come up here, but instead just focused on some online training first. It was kind of a second thought to come up here and kind of get a little bit of practical experience, and it was money well worth it. The instructors, I tell you, I really truly feel like it was a privilege to be able to interact with these guys. You can tell they all are very knowledgeable and experts in their fields, and to be able to have just one-on-one or group assistance with these guys was absolutely amazing. The ability to kind of ask them questions all along the way. They were very welcoming and encouraging of that kind of conversation and dialogue. Just absolutely the best part was the instructors. The House of Horrors was just truly amazing. To be able to just see, all the defects throughout the house. For me, walking up to it, it was just being able to really get a more clear and concise understanding and why things are done a certain way. That was really an eye-opener for me. I've already been telling people who know I'm up here doing this, it's an absolute must. For me, I think getting the coursework out of the way, online was very helpful because I was more prepared to come in here and get engaged. I would highly recommend this class for anyone wanting to get into the home inspection industry.